little mishap here at the fuel island at the Pilot. Driver got into one of the good old yellow poles. Pretty much destroyed the trailer. It's got 35,000 pounds in it. 26 pallets of dry food. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting. I asked him if he was loaded. He said, yeah. I was like, how much? He said, oh, it's very light, very light. So I was like, what's the weight? I need to know. He goes, I don't know. I was like, well, go get your bill of lading and check, because I need to know. And I look at it, I was like, 35,000. That is not light. It's almost full. I reckon I'm just gonna have to pull forward until I get past this drain. I wanted to be back behind it, but I don't want to be that close. That was probably perfect the first time. That's what I get for thinking. Yeah. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. What's up? Oh, I appreciate it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it can get quite interesting real quick. Yeah.
Like I said, I've got a lot of respect for you guys.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Up, I'll go show you the carnage that is this trailer. Hoping the trailer stays together when I make the lift. I'm gonna have to monitor it pretty closely. Make sure it doesn't just buckle the whole floor. left in the trailer. Go to lifting, get it off. Just keep going. It'll get out of my way eventually, right?
Right. Well, I mean, last week it was loaded. He said, yeah. I drive down the interstate. No.
No.
I drive down the interstate.
No. All your brakes set?
Yeah.
Go check your brakes. Make sure they're all pulled out.
I don't know what way he's going.
To the parking lot. I told him, I was like, you're parking this trailer. You can't move it. He said the company's sending another driver, they're going to transload it.
They better bring you'll be getting
Another call.
Another call to come and suck them back out.
Yeah. Luckily these pulls, the pull itself is only like right here. It's just barely over that. Used to be so sketchy pre-rotator days. Hey, on a good note, I finally got the rotator 100% working properly. Right now, every single thing on the truck works. So Most recent issue was having a problem with my linear sensor, which is the sensor that tells me how far out my boom is, which with that not working, my load chart's completely inaccurate, which I've gotten so used to not having it that I didn't even look on this. I didn't even think to look, see how much this trailer weighed when I picked it up. But yeah, so I've gotten it to where literally everything's working. Both my remotes work. They haven't been freezing up on me. Now if I have this remote, the Raptor remote on for a really long time, like working a big job or something, I may have to restart it just to get it to kind of rethink itself. But it's very tolerable now. Same with the underlift remote, it works exactly like it should now. We tried replacing the boom linear sensor, and that didn't fix the problem. So Miller sent me a new wiring harness because I was able to plug the sensor in down under the turret, and it cleared the code. It obviously didn't work right, but it would clear the code. And so that solved that problem. So they sent me a new linear sensor cable, and I ran that yesterday down the boom, got it all plugged in, and everything started working. So yay me, I have a fully functional truck now. It's pretty sweet. When everything's working right, this truck is just an absolute blast to operate. It just really sucks when it's not working right. I think I'm pretty much done with this guy. I just got to get paid. Get the heck out of here. Let's see what this gentleman wants. You missed the show.
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing.
Is that the word around the truck stop?
I don't see anything around here. I come in here one time, there's a trailer parked right along in here somewhere. Hold back in and put the bird down.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah, fun times. Yeah, because that's exactly where I want to pull when my trailer's on fire. The first place I want to go is to the fuel island.
Yeah, pull right in the fuel island. That's
yeah.
I'm a dumbass, right? Well, it sat there about 2 or 3 days, didn't it?
Oh, it sat there a while, yeah.
Yep.
I'm glad they didn't call me. Huh?
How'd you get that loose out of there?
I lifted the trailer up over it.
I was surprised that we went high enough.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I guess you have plenty of room.
Yeah, there's a lot of room right. I can do a lot of things underneath the canopy.
Do any damage to this trailer?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's got to be parked.
Yeah.
It is muggy today, this morning. It's only like 70, but man, the humidity is up there. But I haven't even broke a sweat yet. My body's getting conditioned.
They're not
Conditioned to the heat. Just kidding. Still fat, but there's a slightly cool breeze keeping me tolerable. 3.
Got all the good rides there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I was gonna run that.
You ever played that crane game in the mall?
Yeah.
Kind of the same thing.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
I was telling him I had a wrecker had to come pull me, told me one time up on 71 North or something by Lexington.
Yeah.
And not by Lexington, hell, by Cincinnati, up Cincinnati.
Yeah.
And he pulled up in front of my truck, got the cones out and blocked the lane beside the truck. So everybody had to go around them.
Yeah. I don't blame him.
Pretty smart. I don't blame. It's an old man.
Yeah.
They blowing their horn. He didn't care. He
Oh
didn't
yeah.
care.
All good? I'll double check in here in just a second.
I called my company, so the driver is not answering and maybe he's sleeping now.
Yeah.
But I hope it's close around here, I don't know. Or you guys have somebody that can deliver?
No.
Okay, yeah. I called them, they said it's not answering, we will contact you tomorrow. But I have the number here.
Yeah, just call us when your driver gets here.
That's the one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Just call us when your driver gets here,
Okay.
and we'll come out and
Okay.
do the transload.